Hello and welcome. My name is Kelly Rush, the Executive Director of the North Dakota Established Program to Stimulate Competitive Research, or EPSCoR, State Office. Congratulations on your new faculty position at your institution within North Dakota. You may have heard about North Dakota EPSCoR and are wondering what it is and how it can be of assistance to you as a new faculty. The state office was formally created by the North Dakota University System in 2017 with funding appropriated by the Legislative Assembly to the university system. The state office is responsible for developing, implementing, funding, and managing several statewide programs and activities. Further, we administer multiple federal awards in support of our statewide mission to broaden and diversify North Dakota's STEM workforce pathways, support and grow research capacity and competitiveness, and inform North Dakota stakeholders. We have many programs and resources designed to build a STEM network and support faculty members like you. Take, for example, our Partnerships to Build STEM Capacity in North Dakota document. This paper is designed to assist researchers with the preparation of STEM proposals for external agencies and to help form educational partnerships and collaborations between institutions. Likewise, our document, Partnerships to Build STEM Resources in North Dakota, compiles information related to statewide K-12 education. We also have funding opportunities available throughout the year. Faculty members at all 11 of our participating institutions are eligible to compete for these funds, which build STEM research capacity, education, and outreach efforts statewide. Faculty wanting to better understand the state office and assistance for your STEM research, outreach, and education activities can find more resources and information on our website. I would like to invite you to join us on October 13th for our virtual open house. This will allow you an opportunity to meet the staff of ND EPSCoR, ask questions, learn about our RFP process, and much more. We look forward to seeing you on October 13th. And I want to give you a warm welcome to the state of North Dakota. Have a great academic year and a great start to your academic career.